Good evening, all. Welcome to SEO Farmer YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn on how to create a clickable URL from the data which we export using Google Analytics. As we know, using Google Analytics, we can export the most visited pages or by traffic or by bounce rate using the export option available. The data exported can be saved on different formats, and the most common format SEOs used are in XLS format. So, in order to explain how the URLs extracted using Google Analytics can be in the clickable format, I have exported the most visited pages in my domain. As you can see, these URLs are not in the clickable format, and only the last part of the URL is extracted from the Google Analytics. And the page path level is 2, which means before this slash I have a URL which is my the domain URL www.seofarmer.com/what-is-SEO, and the domain URL is not extracted. Okay, so we are going to make these URLs in a clickable format. In order to make it happen, we will create two cells or two columns. Okay, so we will create two columns, one in the left and another in the right side. Okay, this column will give us the output, and we will here enter the domain URL. Okay, so I'm entering my domain URL www.seofarmer.com. okay, and then I'm selecting the column and drag it down, which automatically copy paste to the rest of the cells. And then here I'm adding a new formula or the general formula which is used to join two cells. Okay, so here in the formula section I'm adding concatenation. In concatenation is normally used to joining two cells. Okay, so here I'm joining the cell A2 and B2. See, the URL is now in clickable format. We have already inputted the formula. Then if you drag down, shift drag down, the rest of the column will automatically get the formula and we will get the output. Okay, see, these URLs are now in clickable format. What we have done is we have joined these two cells and we got the output as in a clickable format. Okay, this is how we will create clickable URLs or hyperlink which we extract from the Google Analytics. This trick is very useful for SEOs, those who are using manual method for analyzing the most visited pages or the bounce rate pages, etc. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.